In today's video, I will show you how to earn $50 per hour absolutely free. To start, let's enter the Timebox site. It is an online platform that allows users to earn money by doing various things like watching videos, taking survey, playing games, etc. The very good things is that this platform is completely free and also for all it's accessible to people all over the world, which means you can earn from this platform wherever you are in the world. The payment threshold on this site is $10 and the platform pays you weekly. However, if you want to wait to collect more money, you can also hold your payment for as long as you want. Also, payments are made through PayPal, bank transfer, ATM, Payer, Skrill, Visa card, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Also, this platform organizes a contest every day in which it gives a prize to the top 100 people. To register your account, click on this button and enter your email and password and click on the I am not a robot sign and click on register, and you can also register on this platform using your Facebook account. The good news is that after you sign up, you will be gifted $1, and after you confirm your email and address, you will be given 100 cents, and in total you will get a gift of $1.100 for free. The registration link is pinned in the comments for you and you can receive your prize. After you enter your dashboard, you can see your income at the top of the page. As you can see, my income is $1.100 after confirming my account. In this section, you can start making money. You can earn good money by completing surveys, but the number of surveys depends on the country you live in. You can easily earn by just clicking and doing the tasks they give you. In the tasks section, you can see different offers. You can earn money by clicking on any of these tasks. The point is that you have to do exactly the tasks that are asked of you here. If the tasks don't do it well and submit it, your account may be banned. So make sure you do the tasks carefully. In fact, the most important part to earn money from this platform is the tasks part, but you can use the referral part to make passive income. And after they click on your links and start working, you can get 10% of their earnings. That doesn't mean that their earnings will be dedicated. They'll just give you 10% of the total earnings. And you can earn good passive income from this platform just by generating traffic on your link on social network like Facebook. I have explained how to generate traffic on Facebook in previous videos. Another important part of this platform is choosing the type of your income, which you can choose the payment method by entering the settings section and choosing the payment method option. And when your income reaches $10, they will pay you this income to. In this way, you can earn from this platform with minimum effort.